A former economic advisor to the president, Hibeene Mwiinga, has revealed that he initially declined an offer to work at State House under former President Edgar Lungu due to his substantial personal wealth and ongoing investments when he returned from Tunisia. In this matter, before the Lusaka Magistrate Court, Mr. Mwiinga, along with his wife, Messi Musanji, and their son, Harantu, are facing 72 corruption-related charges involving property worth over 41 million kwacha and cash amounting to over 238,900 United States dollars. Mr. Mwiinga detailed his financial status, investments, and the circumstances that led to him eventually accept the State House role despite his initial reservations. When the matter came up before court for defense, Mr. Mwiinga said he earned 1.6 million United States dollars working for the African Development Bank, received over 500,000 United States dollars in travel allowances, and made an additional 3 million United States dollars from selling clothes and shoes imported from Scotland to neighbors in Tunisia. He testifies that he told Mr. Lungu if he came to work, he would be so busy to work for peanuts, but eventually the former president convinced him. He also denies claims that his farm in Mwembeshi cost 12.4 million kwacha, stating that the initial investment was 200,000 United States dollars. The accused explained that by the time he was offered the position, he had already accumulated significant wealth through his work at the African Development Bank and various business ventures, including a successful fish farming operation and a commercial transportation business. During his testimony before Magistrate Hibeene Mwiinga, the accused provided detailed accounts of his investments, particularly focusing on his Mwembeshi farm and Salama Park flats. He disputes the valuations presented in court, asserting that the cost of developing his properties far exceeded the figures provided by state witnesses. Mr. Mwiinga emphasizes that he had personally overseen and participated in much of the construction work, significantly reducing labor costs. He also discussed his fish farming business, which he described as highly profitable, generating significant income annually. Concluding his testimony, Mr. Mwiinga has criticized the state's case against him, arguing that the prosecution has failed to present a complete and accurate picture of his financial situation. He urges the court to consider all his sources of income, including those from his time at the AFDB, his investments, and his earnings from government service in order to arrive at a fair judgment. Trial continues on August 22nd, 2024. Best Jerry, Diamond News.